Todd Preston is here with D.A. Davidson, and we're talking about this week's stock market news. Let's start off with yesterday. It sounds like it was a big day.
Well, yeah, we saw a big, strong rebound. We had seen a pretty weak August due to the talk of the individual yield curve and the reaction to that. The Dow was up 326, the S&P was up 36, NASDAQ was up 116. We're still down a little bit for August, both on all three indices, but we're within 3% of all-time highs that were hit in July. So on the whole, the rebound has been very positive, and yeah, we're less than 2% off for August. So August can be a tough month because people are worrying about vacation as opposed to money. So that can be a tough month, and this month was tough, but we're finishing strong. So the futures are indicating another strong opening. So there's a chance we close the gap even further by the end of the day.
So what is it that's bringing the investors back? Well,
a lot of it is the whole China situation. That's been the headline driving entity forever. Their spokesman yesterday indicated that they weren't in any hurry to take retaliatory action. In fact, he said the question should be, how can we remove these tariffs as opposed to putting more on? So they're using a very conciliatory tone. That gave investors good hope that we will see progress and we will see a deal done. I think the assumption is becoming we will have a deal get put in place. The question is, how long will it take? Because the statement is China needs us more than we need them. They're an important trading partner, but we're much more important to their economy. And so if they can find a way to come to the table and save face, then that'll be a great day.
All right, and to finish things off, let's talk about some economic reports we saw. What did you see there with those?
Well, we saw gross domestic product was revised to 2% annual growth. They anticipated 1.9% is what the economists were predicting. The consumer spending portion was very strong. That was 3%, 3.1%. So the consumer's still doing well. And so in the midst of all this talk of a recession and global slowing and all of these things, our economy actually is still showing that it's doing fine. Unemployment is still low. The consumer is not pulling their horns. They're still spending. So in the midst of all of the hair on fire that's coming from the national press, we're still okay.
All right, take a look at the real numbers,
That's
right?
Yep.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here with us today. You have a good weekend.
Thanks, you too.
And we'll be right back after this break.